Alright, welcome back YouTube gang. This is your boy by Shy and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below on what you think about this custom, and I have another tutorial for you guys today. We will be drilling some holes in the shoes. We'll be doing the off-white style dunk laces. My last video did some good numbers, so I decided to make a new one that's just dedicated to just drilling the holes and putting the eyelets in. Some people had questions or couldn't get them, so I have another way. This will be the easiest way you can do it. So yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing it on these off-white customs that I've done. And you have your off-white and the purple off-white shoelaces with the shoelace, and then you know your tabs, hair, zip tie. So yeah, we're gonna be drilling holes in these, and this is the main thing that's going to make this easy, is the Gorilla Glue. So yes, this Gorilla Glue is going to make the gluing of the eyelets in the holes. It's going to make it faster, it's going to give it a stronger bond, and it's going to be flexible so it will not be able to come out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this video. Alright, so all set up now guys. First and foremost, you're going to need some shoes to do this on. Like I said, I'm doing this on my off-white custom I did on these Air Force Ones. You're going to need some Gorilla Glue, super glue. I use the Gel XL. Then you're going to need some scissors, and just like in my last video, you're going to need this elastic. I'll put the descriptions down below. Your drill, and your eyelets. I'm going to be doing these blue eyelets I have. Try to match it best with this. So for the main part, we are going to drill the holes. So if you're new to this, you might want to mark to see where you want to drill your holes, but I'm not, so I'm going to drill the holes where I always drill. And when I'm drilling, I have this tape right here, so I know this is the length I should go. So this is the, let me take this out. This is one second, I'll get this tool drill bit out. It is my 1 1/8 and 1 1/2 drill bit that I'm using, and I have it sectioned to I have a section right under the 1/4, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 little layers that I have a section to. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the drilling. And also make sure you have nothing in the shoe, and be mindful of where your hands, if you place your hands in the shoe. Alright, we got our first. So now that you have your holes, all you literally have to do now is get your eyelets How many is that? 5. Okay. And now make sure they fit the hole before you press the glue in there. Okay. So what I like to do is make sure with super glue you have to shake it. Alright. And then it has a little skinny tip. I just put the skinny tip in there, go around in the inside, and then go over like the outside a little so it can stay on the outside as well. So I put some in the inside, I'm going around, and then I'm going to go around on the outside. And I'm going to press this in, and you don't have to hold it as much, just make sure your hand don't touch the super glue because it will stick to your hand. And this holds pretty fairly in quick. And if you have glue on the outside that you don't want, just take a tissue or a Q-tip and swipe it up before it dries. Alright, and after you do that, all it needs is like 5 minutes. I mean, it dries in seconds, but 5 minutes to completely dry. And then after that, you add your elastic in there, and you can do it the same way. You cut your elastic. Doesn't really matter what length, you always can cut it if you need to cut it more, or if it's good, you're good. So you will hoop it, you will put the super glue on the tip, and then you will place it in the inside and hold it in there for a couple seconds, and it will stick. So I will do that as well. Put it on the tip. And then I place it in there and move on to the next. Alright guys, now that we're finally done, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the final product of the shoes, and hopefully this tutorial was easy for y'all. Like I said, not that many steps, not that hard, straightforward. So I added orange laces for the orange tab and black elastic. So this is what we got for the final product. And then we have the blue eyelets. I think these are dope. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment down below on if you try this, if you will wear this, if this was easy for you. Give me some feedback. Like always, I appreciate y'all for watching.